Hi guys, welcome to Bank FS, your number one trading channel for logical trading. Yeah, this is today's trade update on the New Zealand yen that we discussed yesterday. Yesterday we talked about this New Zealand sales that we had our first TP1 around here. That's our take profit one here. We had our TP2 here. We had our TP3 here. So yesterday at the post, sorry, 3, yeah. Yesterday at the post analysis, I think the trade was around this area here where it was hovering around the TP2. But hopefully this morning we have had our TP1, we have had our TP2, TP3 all smashed through, even targeting these lows here. Again, this is the pullback that we talked about that we are expecting a pullback to come in, and then for the buyers to do what all that they wants to do. And after the buyers comes in and do everything that they want to do, then we can resume the sales back down. So this still New Zealand sales is still a good selling opportunity, and we are still holding it. But all that we can say, the little update that we can say is at TP2 and TP3, yeah, we have taken some position off the table and we have left the rest running. We will size back in again once these buyers here or gets extinguished from the way. If I'm to look into the buyers coming in to see if there is something that we are going to really can learn from there, we can see that from here at this price, buyers have really pushed up very aggressively, and this slow reaction from the sellers is truly expected, because why should sellers sell if buyers are buying? And why should the buyers also buy if sellers are also selling? Do you get it? It doesn't make business sense because both parties want to make profit. So here this small reaction from the sellers is really expected. But then the sell will only continue once these buyers have showed us that they don't want to buy high anymore. That is when and only when the it will force the sellers to reduce price even further. And in that idea and in that time when the sellers have decided that it is too expensive, that it is too expensive and they need to reduce price to come lower, that is when we are going to join the sales back again with full vim. Oh, sorry, don't mind my language. With full of our position backing. So for now, we have taken some of the table around here and around here. We took some of the table, and then once that this came in so aggressively around this candle too, we closed some of our position. So we are waiting. It's still, this trade is still on and it's still pushing. So we are waiting to see what the buyers will do, and after that we can rejoin again with full volume. So that's it. That's it for the New Zealand yen. We are still holding it. We are still selling. So I'll keep updating you guys to see if how this trade will end. And like I said, should the buyers come all the way to the stop here, I am not going to be interested in doing the sales anymore. Okay, if that's out of the way, then I need to ask you and request of you something. If you find any of our videos and any of our teachings and the way we explain things relatable, and if these teachings and if these nuggets of knowledge is pointing you and your thinking in the right direction, then look no further. Subscribe to this channel, and I'm promising you that we are going to deliver. We are going to keep continuing giving you this good information. So that's it for today. Bye for now. See you later on. Bye.